we have to find the sum of first 11 terms of our series 3 plus 0 minus 3 minus 6 and so on. We know that the terms form arithmetic progression. So we can rewrite that we have sequence of terms 3, next is 0, negative 3, negative 6 and so on. These terms form arithmetic progression. So if we put that this is our first term, second, third and fourth and so on, we know that every term after first in arithmetic progression is formed by adding constant d. So to find the constant d, what we have to do? We have to choose two consecutive terms. So for example a1 and 2, or a2 and a3, or a3 and a4, and subtract the first one from the second. So for example, let's choose now a1 and a2. So from a2 we have to subtract a1, so it will be 0 minus 3, so this is negative 3. We have d. We know that this is arithmetic progression. What else? We know that the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression, what it is? In numerator we have to add first term plus n term, divide by 2 and multiply everything by n. In this example we have given that n is equal 11. a1 is 3. We have to have an, and we know formula for n term of arithmetic progression. An is equal a1 plus n minus 1 times constant d. So we calculate d, we have a1, so we can find a11 because we have to find the sum of first 11 terms. N is 11. So a1 is 3 plus 11 minus 1 times d is negative 3. So a11 is 3 plus first operation in parentheses, so it will be 11 minus 1 is 10 times negative 3. So next we have to do first multiplications. 10 times negative 3, so it will be negative 13. So this is equal negative 27. We have n term. We have first term. We have 11. We have first. So now we can use this formula to find the sum of first 11 terms of arithmetic progression. So let me write this. Will be a1 plus a11 over 2 times 11. So this is equal, a1 is 3 plus a11 is negative 27 over 2 times 11. So this is equal 3 plus negative 27, so this is negative 24 over 2 times 11. We can reduce 2 and 24 will be 12, so we have negative 12 times 11, as 11 is negative 12 times 11, so it's negative 132. This is my solution.